Hello, this is Brian Shannon from Alpha Trends Blogspot. Today is Sunday, June 10th, 2007. We're going to go ahead and take a look at some stocks for trading on the 11th. We've got a pretty volatile market right now, and because of that, what I'm going to do is something different today. I'm going to show you some ideas that I'm looking at, but I'm not going to give any specifics as far as where I would buy them, where the stop would be, etc. I think you've got to be a better trader to trade in this market and to be able to outline the day in advance where you think you're going to put your stop. Just doesn't make sense to me right in these conditions. So I think you've got to keep it shorter term and just manage risk. We'll first look at shares of ART Technology Group, symbol ARTG. You can see this stock has broken past some resistance right in here. That resistance is acted as support, it looks like. We've got a rising 10, 20, and 50-day moving average. You can make a case that this is a inverse head and shoulders pattern that would measure it out to the height of that. I'm not going to waste my time measuring that out because I wouldn't be in this that long. However, you can see the significance of the resistance that was broken in here. Looks to me like this stock ought to continue up, maybe up towards about 3 1/4 or so. And I would say worst case you want to put your stop below that level right there. Next up, we'll take a look at shares of VSCN, which is a symbol for Visual Sciences. Same thing here. We've got a stock with a recent powerful breakout on big volume. We've got a couple probably news events that occurred with this big volume in there. First, it found support along that 10. Now it looks like it's trying to find support along that 20-day rather moving average. If we look at the weekly time frame, again, another significant breakout and pullback to that prior level of resistance. Looks like it ought to continue higher to me. The only thing I'm concerned about here is the stock pulled, or rather it didn't pull back, but it had such a strong day, particularly late in the day, Friday. So I'd look for a pullback to at least 1570 or so, then look to buy some strength. Where you put a stop is entirely up to you, but I do think this stock continues to look good and ought to continue higher from here. Last one we'll look at is NSIT, and this is Insight Enterprises. Another stock that looks almost identical to ARTG, except multiply the share price by about 10, I guess. So, and by that I mean we've got this what looks like a head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders pattern. Big volume breakout, low volume consolidation. The volume looks better on this one than it did actually on ARTG. On the weekly time frame, maybe it goes up to test these highs up near 22 3/4, 23 bucks a share. But you can see that it's had a nice pullback and broke past some short-term resistance in here, and that looks like it was tested late Friday as support. So maybe you want to buy this one on strength, put a stop under here. I don't know. It's up to you. Again, I think it's more skilled trading in this environment. One stock to look at on the short side is this Allscripts Healthcare, symbol MDRX. You can see it's broken down here in the weekly time frame, daily time frame. We do have a declining 50-day moving average. And on the shorter term time frame, looks like it's probably going to get down below this 24.45 or so. Then maybe the momentum continues lower. Best of luck trading on Monday, and I'll have another video after the close.